All right, 2018 Bowman High Tech Baseball 4-box quarter case break. This is number 3, so this is the end of the case. Team owners: Anaheim going to Charles, Atlanta going to B. Sonk, Baltimore D. Jacula, Boston Kathy, Chicago KJ Wetz, Chicago White Sox Kathy, Cincinnati Max, Cleveland Canes fan, Rockies Caputo, Detroit Cards Are Us, Royals Joey, Angels Gare F, Dodgers Dig Dug, Marlins KJ Wetz, Brewers B Sunk, Twins Stamir, Mets Cards Are Us, Yankees D Jacula, Oakland Maxime, Philly Maxime, Pirates D Jacula, Padres Caput, Giants D Jack, good call, Mariners Penzito, Evan White, Cardinals KJ Wetz, Tampa Bay Cards Are Us, Toronto Penzito, and Nationals Cards Are Us. You need a short print Vladimir Guerrero, dude, even though he doesn't have an auto. Then you got Evan White for Seattle. Excuse me, I'm actually going to use this for a stand. There we go. Keston Herrera, or how you would say his name, Milwaukee Brew. Future Pimp Daddy. Batting average 375, 371. Oh, that's it. Oh, no biggie. Pavin Smith for the D-backs. Keibert Ruiz, Dodgers. And we got Gleyber Torres, Pyrotechnics. Numbered to 99. That's a cool card there, D-Jack. Pyrotechnics, Gleyber Torres. Nice one, brother. And we have a 101. Cincinnati Reds, 1 of 1. His ancestors were part of the feline family. Shed Long. Cincinnati Reds, 1 of 1. Cincinnati going to Max. I think he was the 3rd overall pick. San Diego Padres, Mackenzie Gore. Sick. Kaput. For the LA Dodgers, auto, Jaron Kendall. Yeah, that pink was a 101. Oh, what did I say? Number 1 draft pick in the draft out of 75, Royce Lewis. Come on, focus. Number 1 pick, Royce. Number to 75. No brainer. We never pulled a Royce Lewis out of this entire time. And nice one for the Dodgers. Rookie, blue to 75, Alex Verdugo. And a rookie for the Yankees, Clint Frazier. D-Jack. Ooh, we got some orange in here. Up in here. Up in here. We got Michel Baez, Padres. That's how you say his name. Kyle Wright, Atlanta Braves. And a rookie for the Phillies, J.P. Crawford. These cards don't focus very well. Minnesota Twins again to 99. Zach Littell. Out of 99, there goes Minnie again. I tried saying. Michel Baez, Padres. Autograph. And for the Phillies, Sixto Sanchez auto. Sixto. Franklin Perez auto for the Tigers. And a sick auto for the Braves, Kyle Wright. Nice one for the Oakland A's. Orange, number due 25, Austin Beck for Oakland. Was he like the 6th pick overall? Something like that? And Michel Baez, Padres. The price on this stuff is really good. And I like the fact you get 4 autos a box. That's pretty good. And then a bunch of cool color parallels, which is nice. And we have Tristan Lutz. Triple Lutz, triple Salchow. Going out to the Milwaukee Brew. Future Pimp Daddy. And for the Baltimore Orioles, D.L. Hall. Prospects. Jaron Kendall, Dodgers. Pittsburgh Pirates, Shane Baz. Spaz. And another sick auto for the Braves, Kyle Wright. Oh, wow. Are you serious? That's crazy. Andres Gimenez for the New York Mets. One of Caputo's favorite players. And White Sox auto. Nice one. Jake Berger. For the White Sox. And a sick hit. High-tech auto purple rainbow. Hunter Green. Cincinnati Reds. He was like the 2nd overall. I thought you were being serious. I could see that, though. And we got a perp, number to 191, Jaron Kendall for the Dodgers. Alex Verdugo, rookie for the Dodgers. Final box. Bowman Chrome coming out Wednesday. I will have a few cases. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. We got Jordan Hicks, STL. And then for the LA Angels rookie, Ohtani-san. Ohtani for the Angels. Jake Berger, White Sox. Rafael Devers, rookie, Red Sox. Corbin Burns, Milwaukee Brew. And we got a future pimp daddy. Minnesota Twins so far with 2 autos. Royce Lewis, which is a sick one. And Brent Rooker, Minnesota Twins. Kid's going to be good. And we got Colton Welker, Colorado Rockies. Ryan Velotti's a pimp too. And we got a green to 99. Padres, Michelle Baez. And we got a purple for the Phillies rookie, 191, Nicky Dubs. And Sean Murph for the Oakland A's, prospects. The numbered stuff, and Ohtani-san wasn't numbered, but still. 25, Austin Beck. Zach Littell, 99 Twins. Verdugo, 75 Dodgers. Sick Gleyber Torres, Pyrotechnics to 99. And Jaron Kendall, purple, 191 Dodgers. And Nicky Dubs, 191 Phillies. Regular rookie autos, Rooker, Twins, Burns, Brewers, Berger, White Sox, Jimenez, Mets, Kyle Wright, Braves, Franklin Perez, Tigers, Sixto Sanchez, Phillies, Michelle Baez, Padres, Jaron Kendall, Dodgers, Mackenzie Gore, Padres, green to 99, Michelle Baez, Padres, and Hunter Green, purple rainbow auto, filthy for the Reds. And a sick Royce Lewis auto to 75 for Minnesota. Cool looking card. And 101 pink Shedlong for the Reds. Reds killed it. Alright guys, that's it. Plus there's a ton of different parallels, rookies. So there's a lot of other stuff in here. Different designs. Alright guys, I appreciate it. I'll get this uploaded to YT. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys.